In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, based on custom fields or randomly. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or trying to organize your project workflow, ClickUp provides a straightforward way to customize the order of your tasks to better suit your needs. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard where you can oversee your projects and tasks. Navigating through ClickUp might seem overwhelming at first, but with clear steps, you'll soon be a pro at organizing your workspace. Next, locate the Space section on the left panel, a dedicated area where your projects are organized. Click on Space, and this will open a list of all the various spaces you've created or are part of. Identifying the correct space is crucial because it houses your related tasks and projects. Think of Space as a container for specific projects or workflows, making it easier to manage your tasks collectively. Once you've opened your chosen space, you'll then want to navigate to the board view. Click on Board, which will display your tasks in a way that visually resembles a Kanban board. This view is particularly useful for dragging and dropping tasks as needed, and it'll also give you a visual overview of where everything sits in the process. It's an intuitive way to manage tasks if you are someone who prefers visual representation. After settling on the board view, look towards the top of your workspace where you'll find the Sort option. Click on Sort, and this is where the magic happens. From here, you have the ability to control how your tasks are ordered. The sorting feature is designed to give you various options to arrange your tasks in a way that suits your workflow. By choosing task name from the Sort menu, you can easily organize your tasks alphabetically. This option is perfect when you're dealing with a lot of tasks and want to streamline your view to locate items quickly. If projects involve clients or alphabetical filing systems, this method makes fetching a task simple and fast. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your tasks in a manner that best suits your operational needs. Whether you want alphabetical order for quick access or wish to sort by custom fields to match project priorities, ClickUp provides flexible options for all. Implement these steps today and watch how they transform your task management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the rest of our guides for more productivity tips.